To the family and friends, poleni sana, and may Miti rest in eternal peace now. Makadara Principal Magistrate Monica Kivuti, who was shot during a court session on Thursday, has died. Kivuti succumbed to bullet wounds last night while receiving specialized treatment at the Nairobi hospital. She was shot by Londiani OCS Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto. The fatal shooting is believed to be in response to her decision to cancel the bond for the wife of the OCS, who is a suspect in a 2.9 million shillings fraud case. Daniel Kariuki reports.
Justice Mother Kome wrote on X, formerly Twitter, and I quote, "It is with a heavy heart that I inform the nation that Honorable Monica Kivuti, Principal Magistrate Makadara Law Courts, has lost the fight against the extensive injuries sustained during an open gun attack in court." Kome continued, "The judiciary family stands in solidarity during this deeply traumatic time and calls for sensitivity and compassion as we share in grief." This confirming that after fighting for her life for more than 24 hours at the Metropolitan Hospital and later at the Nairobi Hospital, the Makadara Principal Magistrate Monica Kivuti had passed on. Kivuti succumbed to gunshot wounds on her chest and leg, which she sustained on Thursday after being shot by a police officer during a court session. Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto, an OCS from Londiani in Kericho County, shot Kivuti, with the cause of the shooting believed to be linked to a case involving his wife Jennifer Wairimo Kabiru, who was facing charges of her involvement in a 2.9 million shillings fraud. The officer is believed to have gone berserk after the magistrate cancelled the victim's bond and ordered her to be remanded at Langata Women's Prisons following a violation of bond terms. The officer was immediately neutralized by security officers inside Makadara Law Courts.
It happened really fast. Within a span of a moment, it happened. And everyone was up and running, and the prison wardens were also shooting.
One of our magistrates was injured, and a few of our officers were the orderlies of the same courts. There had been a case which is ongoing, and the ruling was determined today. And during the time of that ruling or judgment given, a situation erupted up in court number 9, whereby one suspect entered to the courts and injured the magistrate in that particular court and the orderlies.
Kivuti's body has been moved to live in her home, even as the Makadara courts have been closed until Monday next week, with additional security measures taken to secure the place for all its officers and those attending court cases. The officer's body lies at Chiromo Mortuary. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Still on matters death, the Kenyan entertainment scene has suffered again following the